My favorite electronic is laptop because laptop very important for me. I can writing every day because my hobby is writing. For example, writing poems, writing article, writing newspaper.
I'm from Al-Azhar University. My major is accounting.
AKBR. I'm Indonesian citizen. Indonesia is a big country, many islands, many tourist places, and the society is friendly. I'm from Medan. Medan is the hot city.
Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Give your attention to me. I am Richman Simanjorang. I am from Samosir Island, and I came from Bandung. 1 month ago, I came to here, and my problem is I don't know how to speak English very well. So I come to here, and purpose I come to here is to improve my English in Fare. Okay, in Fare has several English course, but I joined to test English course.
Oh my God, I'm so feeling happy now because I meet you again. Now I'm going to introduce myself. Yes. Okay. My name is Yandi Ginanjar and just call me Yandi. And I'm from Bandung.
Hello there. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing well. Are you okay? I hope so. Are you happy? I hope so. Are you so excited? I hope so. Now I am going to tell you about myself, my country, and my hometown. I am from Indonesia. My name is Wahyu Taufik. It's spelled, you can call me Wahyu. It's spelled W-A-H-Y-U. And I'm from Indonesia. To be exact, I was born in Bali.
Hi, good morning everyone. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Kaisar Lahia Siti. My first name is Kaisar. My last name Lahia Siti. You can call me Kaisar. It spells like K-A-I-S-A-R. I'm from Makassar.
Okay. My name is Rika Zawila. We can spell R-I-K-A-Z-A-W-I-L-A-H.
Call me Ardi. It's I-R-D-Y. And I come from Indonesia. And I come from Makassar.